Okay, welcome back, friends. Now let us talk of the harmful products which are obtained by burning of fuels, or we can say the harmful effects. Right? We are going to talk of the harmful effects of burning of fuel. So the increasing fuel consumption has harmful effect on the environment. Let's take first topic. Carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburnt carbon particles. Right? So carbon fuels will release unburnt carbon particles. These fine particles are dangerous pollutants. They cause many respiratory diseases like asthma, etc. Right? Okay. Now for centuries, wood was used as domestic and industrial fuel. But now instead of wood, we are now using coal and other fuels like LPG. But still in the rural parts of our country, people still use wood because it is easily available and it is free of cost actually, because they can go and collect wood from the forest. But burning of wood gives a lot of smoke, and that is very harmful for human beings because it will cause respiratory problems. Also, when we burn wood means we cut trees. So trees which are providing us very useful substances are lost when wood is used as fuel. So cutting of trees will lead to deforestation. Right? Deforestation itself means cutting of trees, which is harmful to the environment. Second point is that incomplete combustion of these fuels, when the fuels are not combusted properly, will give carbon monoxide gas, and it's a very poisonous gas. So it is very dangerous to burn coal in a closed room, because in the closed room there will be lack of oxygen or improper supply of oxygen, and that will lead to incomplete combustion. So carbon monoxide gas which can also kill a sleeping person in that room. That is why we are advised never to sleep in a room with burning or smoldering coal fire in it. Actually a closed room, right, with the windows are closed, that is we should not sleep. Something should always be open. Then combustion of most fuels release carbon dioxide in the environment, and increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the air is believed to cause global warming. So you will ask, what is global warming? Global warming is the rise in the temperature of the atmosphere of the earth, and this results among other things in the melting of polar glaciers. Means what will happen because of global warming? The north pole and south pole पे जो glaciers है वो melt हो जाएंगे, which will lead to a rise in the sea level, causing floods in the coastal areas. Low-lying coastal areas may even be permanently submerged under water, यानी पानी में डूब जाएंगे वो. And burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas. It is a suffocating and corrosive gas. Petrol engines also give off gaseous oxides of nitrogen. Now these oxides of sulfur and nitrogen will dissolve in rainwater and form acids. Such rain is called acid rain. Right? So acid rain is nothing but mixture of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxides in the water, in rainwater, and it is very harmful. Acid rain is harmful for crops, buildings and soil. Okay, now to sum up, the use of diesel and petrol as fuels in automobiles has been replaced by CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Why? Because CNG produces harmful products in very small amounts compared to petrol and diesel. CNG will produce less residue. So CNG is a cleaner fuel compared to petrol and diesel and other gases. Okay, friends. So you can see the keywords. We'll look at the summary of what we have learned. Just have a look at them slowly. Read through the textbook and prepare the question answers. Right? They are very easy. It's a very nice, interesting, easy chapter. Okay. All right, friends. Thanks for listening to the entire series of 8 videos. For more information, you can always visit these sites and get more knowledge about them. Where say Google is always there to help you out in any way you want. Okay, bye, friends.